Let us understand what is a data structure in this video. In the last video, we talked about abstract data type, and then we also discussed that a data structure is something that implements an abstract data type. Now, when you talk about implementation, you always talk about organization of the data in memory in such a way that you can have easier access to that data and then you can use that data efficiently. So in a way, a data structure can be explained as a way of organizing data in such a way that it is efficient to use. Now let us take a look at an example of a data structure, an array. So if you have some programming experience, you already know what an array is. The array data structure actually implements the array abstract data type. Now, an array abstract data type specifies that the array is a collection of objects, and any object can be accessed randomly. So if you have to implement an array abstract data type, then you will say that the memory allocation is continuous. In any programming language, an array is basically a collection of objects that sit beside each other in memory, so they are allocated continuously. And then for random access of an element, you provide an index based access. So in this case, if you are talking about C language, then A0 will give you 5, A2 will give you 1, and A4 will give you 9. So based on the index, you can access an element inside the array. And then you also talk about operations in an abstract data type. So here as well, you talk about an implementation of the operation. So for an array, you can have searching and sorting as operations, and then to implement searching, you can use a particular algorithm for searching, maybe binary search, linear search, or any other search, and in case of sorting as well. So in this case, we are using bubble sort. So this was about what is a data structure. In the next lectures, we are going to dig deeper into specific data structures, starting with the stack.